How do you envision the role and advancement of LLMs in industry over the coming years?
I think my answer to your question would differ. Should it have been asked a month ago or 2 months ago? And that's really how fast artificial intelligence is developing. Gemini Pro 1.5 is an incredible model, and the number of use cases I can now do because a model like that exists has exponentially increased. But what I think you're going to start to see are more and more enterprises seeing the value in large language models and using them to not only address typical language tasks, but also tasks specific to enterprise workflows, workflows that might be human expensive, require an army of people to do. Maybe a large language model can be used to address those use cases. On the more technical side, we will clearly see models become better and better throughout the year. Models will require, hopefully, less and less prompt tuning in order to get you to the accuracies that you need for your use case. But what I think you're also going to see is that the amount of money that you have to spend in order to prompt these models will decrease. I think right now, the big restriction on putting these into production is simply the amount of money you have to spend in GPU costs or proprietary model calls to Microsoft or Google or OpenAI. And I think that you're going to start to see these costs come down, especially as the open source community is able to push some of the top models to proprietary levels. Why pay for GPT-4 calls when you can download a model from Hugging Face, fine tune it, and get GPT-4 accuracy? So not only will models get better, not only will open source models get better, but I think you're going to start seeing competition among costs, which are really going to drive down what you're going to have to pay, open up the realm of problems that you're going to be able to solve. And the question for 2024, I think that a lot of companies are going to make is, when are we going to start investing in these technologies? How do we invest in them? And let's start finding these use cases.
Aaron, thank you so much.